Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About s, we can put into ln s over 1 over s. So when s approaches to number 0 on the right, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to negative infinity. So we have the formula in here. And we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative of ln s and this one in here. So this one we have 1 over s. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. And now we need to simplify 1 over s. And this one will go to numerator. So when we put number 0 on here, and we have 0, that means the value of this one equals to number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.